Hi everyone, Liz here. Thanks for stopping by. So, I'm going to do our giveaway winner today for this gorgeous little gonk painting, gnome painting. Somebody said that, yeah, it will forever remind them of hubby and myself all dressed up. So yeah, it might you too, so it could be coming your way. Sorry about the shadows, it is very, very dark here today in the UK, just for a change. So I've got all the winners printed out and I'm going to cut them out and put them in my little tub as usual. Okay, and then yeah, we'll get hubby and Millie to draw it out again. Cameo appearance from hubby. It's about as much as I can get him to do on camera at the moment. He is feeling a little bit better. We've, yeah, solved a couple of problems, hopefully. So we'll see where we are. And then we'll keep plodding on, as it were, and see what happens. We've not had any doctor's appointments this week, which was pretty good. So, but I have had my mum poorly this week instead, so yeah, not brilliant. Right, let me just fold all these up and get them put in here. I try and keep them all the same length, albeit hubby can't read them without his glasses and he doesn't know who anybody is anyway, so he's not likely to think, oh, I'll pick that one out, because he just doesn't know anybody. And I must admit, I've got quite a few new people here as well that are taking part in the giveaway. It is really a subscriber giveaway, so I do prefer people to be subscribed. The prize has come from the lovely people at Onedaysaving.com. So thank you to them, to Onedaysaving. It's very, very kind of you. There is writing on the back of all of these as well, because what I've started doing is if I print something out and it's printed out wrong or whatever, then I'm reusing paper. I'm trying to save money a little bit now. Yeah, pulling our belts in, because we have got the heating on now and I'm expecting those big heating bills, albeit we've not had it on much during the summer. So hopefully what we've been paying during the summer will have mounted up a little bit to pay for winter. But we'll wait and see. I've got a new little headband for Millie. And as per usual, she absolutely hates it. So, yeah, go figure. I'm so cruel. I keep putting things on my little pooch's head. And she's not a happy woof. But anyway, it all adds to the fun. And she gets a treat afterwards. She knows. She sits there glaring, but she's quite happy to take the treat afterwards. So, yeah. All right, I think we had 38 entries. There was quite a few other comments on the video as well, but I did ask you to put hashtag gonk in the comments. So if you didn't put that, I can't really put you in, because I don't know whether you just didn't see it or didn't put it, or whether you just didn't want to win the prize. I mean, not everybody likes little gonks or gnomes or whatever you call them. So yeah, I do usually give you a hashtag just to pop in the comments on my giveaways. I have got a parcel that has come to me, and for whatever reason the company has sent duplicate products to me, so I'm going to use all of those duplicate products as giveaways in the future, so keep watching. Again, subscriber giveaways. And this one will be winging its way to wherever. My last giveaway, which was the gorgeous, huge koi fish special drill painting, is winging its way to Australia, to Sue. So, yeah, that one's gone an awful long way. So I don't mind, as long as I can post to your country. I know there are some countries that we can't post to. I'm not quite sure why, but, you know, as long as I can post to your country, then that's great. So that is all of those now thoroughly mixed up. They're all folded in half. As I say, hubby can't read them without his glasses and he doesn't know who anybody is anyway. So it keeps it all fair. So I'm going to go down now and get Millie and hubby to draw somebody out. Woo, good luck everyone. Is Queen Millie all ready to do the draw? Are you looking? Which one do you want to pick out? Just having a look. Daddy's just going to pick one. Just pick one. There it is. So what's we got? What we got? And it is, oh, Cindy Bennett, 5646. Congratulations, Cindy. If you want to get in touch with me, and I will get your prize winging its way to you. Thank you very much to hubby and Millie. Does Millie get a treat?
Oh, bloody hell.
Don't swear. So Millie gets a treat as a thank you. Daddy just gets to stay another week. Okay, congratulations, Cindy. So if you want to get in touch with me either on Facebook Messenger, Instagram Messenger or via email, my details are in the description down below. And I will get this lovely little gonk picture out to you as soon as I can. I'll give you 2 weeks to get in touch with me and we'll see where we go from there. So thanks everybody for taking part. I hope you liked Millie's little Queen of Hearts hat and her little stick off with her heads. I thought it was quite cute. I got it in the sale from the Halloween things. So if you were dressed up as the Queen of Hearts, you might have had one of those on. And I'm just going to put up my wreath, my Armistice Day wreath of all poppies for Remembrance Day this weekend. So yeah, I'd forgotten all about this, to be fair. And then it's amazing what you find when you start looking. So yeah, I'm going to get this one hung up. It was a Craft Buddy one. I think it was either last year or the year before, possibly the year before. It's got a little hanger, so I can get it all hung up and we'll have that out. It's one of my favourites. It's gorgeous and lovely and sparkly. And I have put all the alcohol marker, green pro marker, all the way around the edge, so that it does have a seal on the edge rather than it just being the MDF showing. I like to have a coloured edge so that it doesn't stand out quite so much. Thank you to everybody that took part. It's just a little bit of fun, and a thank you from me, and on this occasion from Onedaysaving for watching the videos and for going to their store and having a look. So if you have enjoyed this little competition, a thumbs up is always very much appreciated. Any comments or questions in the comments down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And if you want to come back and see what we get up to next and take part in that next little draw that will be coming up soon, then if you press that subscribe button down in this corner and the all notifications bell that pops up, you'll be notified when any of my videos come up. So you're not going to miss anything. Yay! Okay, thanks ever so much for stopping by, and I do hope to see you all again soon. Bye for now.